Hello friends. Before starting our Python masterclass, I would like to clarify the most important and a common doubt among our student community. Why Python? Actually, in programming world, there are dozens of programming languages, namely, for example, C, C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, R, JavaScript, Shift, etc., and all that. Every language is having its own strengths and own purpose and own weaknesses also. But why we have to choose Python? Here I explain only 4 reasons. There are many other reasons also. Just precisely I explain 4 reasons. The first one is easy to learn. Actually, Python developers from the inception, they focus on make the language so simple. Every meticulous element they focused and as far as possible they simplified it. Simple example I give you, don't bother about Python knowledge. Here in all languages like C, C++, Java and all that, in most cases you have to type double quotes. Double quotes. Double quote, how you type double quote? In order to type double quote, you have to press two keys, shift key and double quote key. But instead of double quote, Python allows single quote. Single quote is same purpose. Single quote it allows. That means Python thinks like your mother. How your mother thinks to mitigate your burden in every aspect. And one more example also tell you. Suppose in C, Java, etc. and all that, you have to, if you have to write a declaration statement, you have to write like this. Here 5 elements are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. And in Python, for the same impact, this is enough. That means this is not required, this is not required. These are just for a simple example how Python developers thought of to make the language so simple. Just think of it. It thinks like your mother. So where mother can try to mitigate the burden of the child, in the same manner Python reduces the burden of programmers like this. Not only this, just this type of hundreds of elements are there. So if you learn Python directly, you may not feel that. If you learn some other language like C, C++ and all that, then come to Python, you can feel the difference. What is how it is made simple. So easy to learn. And one more thing I have to tell you, in most world universities, earlier the first language was C. Now, presently, it was replaced by Python. Second one, highly versatile. It supports many technologies which I am going to explain in the next slide. Many 10 plus technologies it supports. Huge demand. Because of its simplicity, simplicity and versatility, many students learn, and there are many opportunities to develop softwares using Python. That's why heavy demand is there and millions of jobs. Actually, you may not believe that worldwide many jobs are lying vacant because they are not getting the right candidates. So, and there are many other reasons and all that. Just precisely I want to explain the 4 reasons. So, what you have to do? Python is the leader. Follow the leader to climb the ladder. Always remember that. Now, if you see the bar graphs, you can find that. Actually, this is the figure of 2022, and now it is much more. So, year by year, past 7-8 years, Python stood as a leader. And one more very important thing, most students are ignorant about this. Actually, everybody knows core Java. Java is like a Python like a language. Core Java is there, advanced Java is there. If it is the case, core Python should be there, advanced Python should be there. But nobody talks about core Python. According to me, 99% of students, programming students, do not know the name of core Python. Whether the name is there or not, it is a fact, it should be there. What is core Python? Now we see the figure, the tree. That is core Python is nothing but a trunk. Without trunk there is no tree at all. That point you have to understand. But people do not know about that. That's why many institutions are deceiving students. How? Actually, when they go for learning data science, first essential prerequisite is they have to teach core Python. Thereafter, any technology they can teach, but they avoid it. Few concepts in core Python they teach. Thereafter, whatever you want, data science, artificial intelligence, whatever you want, that they teach. Because of that, you miss a lot. You feel that you learned, but you are not a perfect professional. That point you have to understand. Core Python is not so simple. Actually, this is core Python book. In this, I have given 300 concepts and 200 plus programs. You must learn that. It is a matter of 2 months, maximum 2 months. You can master it. But once you master it, if you go for any branch of this, then you can master it. You feel like a master, and actually you will become a master. And one more thing, already I told you, it is highly versatile. Python is highly versatile means it supports 10 plus technologies. 10 plus technologies, just you see the branches. Branches, they are computer program language development, operating system development, business application development, 3D images, GUI applications, embedded systems, internet and web applications, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc. and all that. 10 plus technologies is support. The core is core Python. Thereafter, any technology you learn, and whatever you learned in core Python, that contributes a lot. It will become a smooth sailing. Otherwise, you may learn things, but your position will be like a blind man's walk. Okay, that point always you remember. First, you master core Python. Whatever somebody says, don't believe that. Core Python is there. It is a fact. Without trunk, there are no branches. That point you have to understand. If you want to evolve with a real professional, first core Python you study, and with that knowledge, if you want to learn any other language like Java, C, C++ and all that, with a 50% of the effort, whatever is required, that is reduced. That point also you have to understand. So now I have to tell you, what is the simple way of learning and mastering core Python. In order to enable you to learn and master from the scratch, I am providing you a book, the Python All Clear. This is only on core Python. This consists of 300 concepts and 200 plus programs. Supporting whatever concept you learn, then and there you have to implement it in an application. Then only you can get knowledge as well as programming skills. You can transform your concept and knowledge as the programming skills. That is very, very essential. Simply studying theory, there is no use at all. And one more thing I have to tell you, here I am providing as a video book. This is a videos and in the form of DVDs. If you want in LMS also, I provide it to you. This consists of 60 hours of video lectures. I explain every bit of thing, each concept and each program I have detailedly explained. The 60 hours. Here, simple plan I am telling you. If you want to become a professional, forget about college thing, whatever they teach in college and all that, they're curriculum oriented. Here, if you want to become a real professional and all that, daily 1 hour. Daily 1 hour you study and practice. Just 2 months, you finish this. After finishing that, you choose any branch. Then you study that. It will become easy and you start enjoying, and ultimately I am assuring you, you will evolve as a industry ready programmer. That point you have to understand.